Dito kami sa Sound Center. Go straight, Alexander. Punta lang kami sa bank. I know. So here, okay, put it.
Where is the toy? Right here?
Yeah. Madumi yung kamay ni Alexander dahil sa paint, nag-painting kasi. Oh, close it first. Yeah, and then now you can get it. Okay.
I still won't do it.
Okay, come sa Alexander. Natutulog siya dyan. Pasaway na bata ay. New house of Alexander. Nag-enjoy siya ng ganyan.
We can get this.
Till number 6, opening shortly.
A pet.
Yeah, but you have many pens. You don't need it.
No.
Yeah, mabait to si Alexander. Hindi yan nagpapabili. Pag alam niyang meron na siya.
Let's say that's red. That they like it. But I don't like red.
Yeah.
That those are only for babies that big.
Yeah. Yes.
Hello? We can do this. Hello? Hello? We can do this. Oh no. Daddy, you got me buy. Wait, Daddy, with this and Daddy.
But actually, they have donut. I get for you.
Where?
It's here. Give me a bag. Give me a bag.
You that kid because I have that too.
Okay. No, come on, come on.
You that is from.
Then right turn.
This is right.
Yeah. Right turn faster. Then straight. Just straight. Drive carefully. Okay. Straight. Go to the left side. Left side more.
Side.
Here and then here.
Beep, 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 beep.
We'll go now.
It's painting wood.
It's cleaning. So, yan yung binili namin ay yung fire extinguisher. Kasi yan lang talaga yung pinunta ko dito. Hindi klaro, no? Fire extinguisher siya. 10 pound lang. Marami kasi akong bit. Yeah.
Hey, you're watching Donna.
Okay, sorry. Yan. Dami nila ditong magaganda pero I will not buy. Yeah, it's too big, yeah?
Yeah, we need to. We need a little bit slow.
We're done here.
Yeah,
We don't need anything.
I want that.
What?
No, that please.
Donut?
No, that.
Yogurt. Oh God. He's always asking for yogurt now. Oh no. Okay.